Hello students, welcome to our mathematics class. In previous video, we discussed about the formula of nth term of an AP. Today we are going to solve the examples from practice set 3.2 using the formula. My previous video's link is given in the description box. Practice set 3.2 first question. Write the correct number in the given boxes from the following AP. Here I take only one example. I make some changes in the question. According to given boxes, you fill up the answer in the boxes. Here A is equal to, A means first term, is equal to -3. T1 means first term, write down -3. T2 -8. T3 -30. T2 minus T1. So here in first box, what is the answer? -8. In second box, -3. -8 minus -3 means -8 plus 3. The answer is, write down -5. Because 8 has a minus sign and minus minus plus 3. Therefore, answer is -5. T2 minus T1, repeat the answer, -5. Here, the given sequence is AP. Therefore, difference between two consecutive terms is always constant. T3 minus T2, that is equal to -5. You may confirm from -30 minus -8. Now write down A is equal to -3. D means difference, common difference, that is difference between two consecutive terms, that is T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, which is constant, that is -5. Therefore, D is equal to -5. Complete question number 1 from the practice set 3.2. Also write down this question also. Second question, decide whether following sequence is an AP. If so, find the 20th term of the progression. Here is the sequence: -12, -5, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30, so on. Here we first find out the common difference between two consecutive terms. So write down solution. Here T1 is equal to -12, T2 is equal to -5, T3, 2, T4, 9, and so on. First part of the question, we already solved this type of example in practice set 3.1. T2 minus T1 is equal to -5 minus in bracket -12 is equal to -5 plus 12 is equal to 7. Minus minus become plus. T3 minus T2 is equal to 2 minus -5. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. T4 minus T3, 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Here, difference between two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, here common difference D is equal to 7. which is constant. Therefore, given sequence is an AP. This is AP. So, next part, find the 20th term of an AP. For finding the 20th term, we know the formula and use it. Nth term formula. Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 bracket complete into D. So we need the value of A, D and n. What is A? A means first term. That is minus 12. D we already find out. And n that is 20 given. Write down. Here A is equal to minus 12, D is equal to 7 and n is equal to 20. Tn is equal to A into bracket n minus 1 bracket complete into D. Now substitute the value of A, n and T is equal to T20 is equal to minus 12 plus 20 minus 1 into 7 is equal to minus 12 plus 19 into 7 is equal to minus 12 plus 133. 19 7s are 133. Here one is negative number and one is positive number. Therefore, subtract 12 from 133 is equal to 121. Now write down the answer. 20th term T20 is equal to 121. Highlight the answer. Solve this example in your notebook. Next example, given arithmetic progression 12, 16, 20, 24, so on. Find the 24th term of this progression. Means here this is AP. So write down the solution. Here 12, 16, 20, 24, so on is an AP. This is given part. T1 is equal to 12, T2 is equal to 16, T3 is equal to 20, T4 is equal to 24, so on. Now here find out common difference D by using any two consecutive terms. A means first term. Therefore, A is equal to T1 is equal to 12. D is equal to, therefore D is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. Now A is 12, B is 4, D is 4 and N is 24. Write down here. A is equal to 12, D is equal to 4 and N is equal to 24. Now write down the formula. Nth term Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 bracket complete into D. Now substitute the value of A, N and D. Therefore, 24th term is equal to 12 plus in bracket 24 minus 1 into 4 is equal to 12 plus 23 into 4. 23 4 is 92. 12 plus 92 is equal to 120. 4. 24th term T24 is equal to 104. Highlight the answer. Now complete this example in your notebook. Next example, and this one is the last example in this video. Find the 27th term of the following AP 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11, so on. Solution. Here 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11 is an AP. This is example same as the previous one. T1 is equal to 9, T2 is equal to 4, T3 is equal to minus 1, T4 is equal to minus 6, so on. Therefore, A is equal to T1 is equal to 9. Now find out the D. D means difference between any two consecutive terms. Here we take only T2 minus T1. Therefore, D is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 5. Now, value of A is 9, D is 5, N is 27. Write down here A is equal to 9, D is equal to minus 5, N is equal to 27. Now write down the formula. Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 bracket complete into D. Now substitute the values. Therefore, T27 is equal to 9 plus 27 minus 1 into minus 5 is equal to 9 plus 26 into minus 5 is equal to 9 minus 130. 26 into 5, 130, but minus is equal to minus 121. 20th term is equal to minus 121. Now you complete all these examples in your notebook. Remaining example we solve in next video. Thank you.